welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda, and this is actually the place where all my crochet and knitting projects are created. So welcome to all my new subscribers, all my existing subscribers, to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, for comments. If you are new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, where you will get notification of whenever I upload videos. And I upload videos usually on a Tuesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Sunday as well. Plus I do a live every Wednesday at 5 p.m. British summertime, which is 12 Eastern. And yeah, so what have I got for you today? Well guys, what I have got, look at this lovely package, and it's come all the way from where's it come from? North Carolina, Charlotte, from Expression Fiber Arts. So shall we open it and get into it, guys? Let's see. I'm so excited. Ooh, look. So in the first package, when you give cheerful and accept gratefully, gratefully, everyone is blessed. Maya Angelou. I like that woman. She was amazing. Right, let's see if I can get into this now. So the first thing that I got myself was, you get this lovely card. Thank you so much for your order. We appreciate your support. You supporting our small business. Isn't that lovely? That'd be a nice bookmark. So I've got that. And then I got this little bag, this little Notions bag, which I thought would be good for whatever. And inside you get a 4mm hook, and you get a pattern for this hat. Yep, this hat. And you get the yarn too. And guess what colour I picked, guys? Can you guess? Of course, guys, it's purple. Isn't that just delicious? So this is called Very Perry Dewy DK, 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon and 10% silk. Yay! 228 meters, 250 yards, needle size US 6.6 to an 8, or a hook, that's needles, a hook size is G to a H, and it's hand or machine wash. And it, oh god guys, it's super soft. But look at the different shades of purples and lilacs. I am so excited. So you know what I'll be doing. I've got loads of yarn. I can't believe it. I've got so many hanks that I have got to get on the ball winder and get them wound up into cakes. So that was parcel number 1. Now in parcel number 2, you all know, well, if you don't know, I'm a big steampunk fan, and I love, my favourite colour combination has got to be my favourite colour combination has to be blues and browns, or turquoise and browns and rust colours. So this, what I bought is Copper Patina Hues Resilient Sock 100% superwash merino wool, 1098 meters, 1200 yards, and knitting needles and 0.2 to a 0 to a 2, or a hook size B to an E. And these are the colours, guys. Look at them. Look at them. I've not decided what I'm going to make with them, but it's going to be a wearable. It feels, even though the doesn't feel, oh, doesn't feel scratchy. It's not the softest, I must admit, it's not the softest, but it's not itchy, and it is gorgeous. Look at them colours, guys. Look at them colours. So guys, what do you think I should make with these? What do you think I should make with these? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh them, and then I'm going to, when I actually cake them up, I think I'm going to make 6 of them, so half and half. So, and I might, what can I do? Answers on a postcard, please, guys. Answers on a postcard. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And then I kind of know. I'll have to look in my books. I think I'll do a crochet top, actually. I think I might do a crochet because I'm actually going to be doing 2. So, yeah, so that's my little yarn purchase. It wasn't cheap, guys. No, it wasn't. But I thought I'm going to treat myself from Expression Fibre Arts because I love their yarn. And I can see myself maybe once every couple of months treating myself. What do you think? Why not? Can't take it with me. So guys, that's all from me for today. I got tongue tied. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.